Welcome at the Gelbergen. My name is Jeroen de Munkenborough and we are here to watch some very strange movements in the forest. Take a look with me. As you can see, the flamingo is a very strange animal. It's very welcoming towards other visitors, and therefore it starts to sing and shout towards me to welcome me in its domain. Let's have a look. It truly is a tremendous and marvelous creature, this flamingo. What a lovely sight. Only during breeding season it becomes a little bit aggressive. Thank God that's not the case now. It's coming towards me, yes. Hello, Flamingo.